Programming is all about logic. If you are good in embedding the logic in your programming, then you are good programmer. If you don't know how to give that logic in your program, if you know about all the concepts and you are not sure that how you can give this particular logic in your coding, how you can execute it, then you are not a good programmer. You must work on that skill. So in today's video, we will be discussing about expression and precedence. This is an important topic, that is why we are covering it in the separate video. Expression. What is expression? Expression, like in mathematics also, you might have heard about the expressions. It is nothing but a data, value, or a set of operations to commute a value. So basically, let's suppose I wanted to just add up 3 numbers or 4 numbers, or I multiply some numbers like this, okay? So how I have to do it? I have to write down expression. I'm writing 1 plus 4 multiplied by 3. Which is an expression in which I am using operands, which are the values, and some operators. Using operands and operators, we concluded as an expression. So expression is the combination of operators and operands. There are multiple operators that you can use in programming languages. Just like few I'm telling you, like arithmetic operators, which is similar to mathematics. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo or remainder, one exponents, just like power of something. So there are many more operators that you can work on. After writing an expression, there is one more important concept, that is precedence. It means how you are going to handle them. Order in which operations are commuted, which means order in which the expression has to be calculated. Suppose I am writing multiple operators, which says 1 plus 3 multiply 4, which I have written above, like it was 1 plus 4, but here it is 1 plus 3 multiplied by 4, which we know is 13. But how come this is 13? If I will take it from left hand side, I can say 3 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 is 4, and then multiplying 4 multiply 4 is 16. If you are going to do it in this manner, you will fail. Your output is going to be the wrong, because the order of precedence you are not following up. So that's why I said precedence is an important topic to notice. So if there is an expression, you have to make sure which operators has high precedence. Those who have high precedence will be tackled first. Those who do not will be tackled later on. So in this case, first multiplication has to be done and then plus, because the multiplication has higher precedence than the addition. Same way, if I say that I have written 1 plus 3 multiply 4, this time this will give you 16, just because I am using parenthesis to showcase that this has to be considered first, because the parentheses do have a high precedence. So in expression, all these operators, all these symbols plays a major role. So when you are writing expression, when you are solving it, you have to take care of those. You have to tackle first the higher precedence expressions and then on to the lower precedence. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel.